7 Pinterest Marketing Strategies in 2024, Complete Tutorial, Pinterest Marketing. In this video, we'll walk you through the most effective strategies to maximize your success on Pinterest this year. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile picture, bio, and username are consistent with your brand. Use relevant keywords in your bio to improve searchability. Strategy 2. Create high-quality pins. Use high-resolution images and compelling descriptions. Include keywords in your pin titles and descriptions to improve discoverability. Strategy 3. Utilize rich pins. Rich pins provide more context about an idea because they show extra information directly on the pin. Strategy 4. Leverage Pinterest analytics. Monitor your pin performance, audience insights, and website traffic. Use this data to refine your strategy and create content that resonates with your audience. Strategy 5. Pin consistently. Consistency is key to maintaining visibility on Pinterest. Aim to pin daily, but focus on quality over quantity. Use scheduling tools like Tailwind to plan and automate your pins. Strategy 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, follow relevant boards, and repin content from others. Engagement builds a community around your brand and increases your reach. Strategy 7. Promote your pins. Use Pinterest ads to reach a larger audience. Promoted pins are a cost-effective way to increase visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Conclusion. There you have it, 7 Pinterest marketing strategies to elevate your brand in 2024. Implement these tips, and you'll see significant growth in your Pinterest presence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials.